Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to reference your cells on your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. The first thing that you have to do is to open your spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. Well, in the Google Sheets there is two type of referencing or cell referencing. There is the absolute referencing and the relative reference, where the relative reference is taken only a relative position to the cells that you refer to. So let's show you the first thing. Let's insert a formula so we can refer to some cells. Let's just do a simple operation or a multiplication. So we will reference to this one or to the B5 cell, and we will multiply it by the C5 cell. If we click enter, of course uh, it will have the correct result that we want. But if we fill it or fill the under or the empty space or the empty cells, it will have the same position or the same operation that we want. So this is what we call the relative position or relative reference. So the referencing is relative to these two cells that we have here. So if we go down, we will find that even the two cells that we refer to will go down. So we have here the B6 and the C6. Let's have another the other type of referencing, and it is the absolute referencing. Let's assume or suppose that we want to do the same operation, but we want to multiply again with this number here. For example, let's make it 13. Let's have the results here. So we will do, of course, a formula that begins with the equals operator, and we will refer to this one after separating the multiplied by this one, and then we close the parentheses. Okay, let's and multiply by this one. So here it have a correct result, but let's suppose that I want to do the same thing to uh, these the remaining cells, these ones. As you can see, it show me here that this is a zero value. Why? Because here uh, we don't have any value, because here we have relative reference, so it will go down here in the D3. We don't have any value here, so it will consider it as a zero, so the multiplication will be as zero. To do so, all we have is to enter absolute references by adding dollars within the line or within the rows. I mean the columns or the rows. We can do it like that, just looking or having an absolute row. So because we are not scrolling between the columns, so we will have the correct answer. As you can see, the line or the row didn't change from the two, so it is an absolute reference. It's, for example, as you can see, we didn't look or we didn't have an absolute reference on the column. So if we go like this, we will have this zero. Let's have, as you can see, it's go to the E and it's go to the D and 6. Here in the D6, we don't have anything. So we already want to have like this. Let's lock the columns and go like that, and add dollars between the columns. And I didn't enter. Yes, it is like that. And as you can see, because we have an absolute reference, it didn't change the cells reference or the cells position. So this is how you reference your cells on your spreadsheet. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.